Good morning, dear students. Today we will do our new book, Supplementary Reader, and the book name is An Alien Hand. And the chapter is chapter number first, The Tiny Teacher. Let's start our chapter. Dear students, recognize this small creature. Have you seen this creature? I think you have seen in your house many times. Yes, your answer is ant. Ant is the commonest creature. It is also smallest in our earth, but it is the wisest insect. When they go outside, they travel in rows, in long rows, one after another. Dear students, there are many types of ants on our earth, but the commonest type is are black type and red type. I think you have seen black and white, sorry, red in your house. Ant, ant is very smallest creature, but this smallest creature has a lot of features. First, they are very tiny. Second, they are very hardworking. They do their job very carefully, and they always do hard work collecting food. Intelligent creature. They also very intelligent creature on our earth. Next, they do their duty very carefully. They have discipline. They also care for cleanness, and they keep their surrounding very clean, neat and clean. They also care for their young ones. They love their children. They also loyal to their community. When someone attack on ants, they fight bravely. They live also peacefully. Our next topic is how they communicate. When one ant have to communicate to other, how they communicate. Dear students, an ant uses its feelers, or we can say that antenna, to talk to another ants by passing messages through them. Students, watch a row of ants carefully when they are moving up and down. You will see that each ant greets all the others coming from the opposite direction by touching its feelers. Okay. Now, where do they live? Dear students, they live nest, yeah, we can say that in ant hills. And each ant hills has hundred of little rooms and passages. And every ant hills hundred of rooms, and they use their ant hills for their rooms for different work. So their rooms used for separately used for laying eggs. There are some rooms in which they lay eggs. For workers, they have separate rooms. They also use storehouse for the food, because they collect food for their hard times. Soldiers have separate barracks, and one is the interesting thing. Soldiers don't go in workers barracks, workers rooms, and workers cannot go in soldiers barracks. Okay, these are the features of ants. Thank you. Now the rest chapter we will do in next session.